Welcome back, traders. This is what we're gonna do this week. I'm gonna give you three freaking amazing pairs that is I think the market will make hundreds of dollars on them this coming weekend. Let's go ahead and start with our Euro GBP. Look at this guy. Look at this beautiful thing. Look what the dashboard is letting us know. Look, 4 hours in daily time frame is letting us know automatically the Euro GBP is already in a sell. One thing that I'm doing, guys, if you're having a hard time, just look for the yellow box with the red arrow. Market, that means the market is coming down. Look for the yellow box with the green arrow, means the market is going up. If you're having a hard time to look what is the original trend on the market, that will help you. Okay. All right, so now that we see the dashboard is telling us that we're in a sell, we're gonna go to real data so you can see the market moving forward. Okay, so let's go ahead and analyze real data, because that's how we all gonna be making money this coming week. So this is my analysis for this coming week. So I'm gonna break it down very slowly because it's very important for you guys to know. So let me shrink the candle a little bit. Don't worry about the candles yet. So I just want to make a point here. Look, this is what I look on the market. I look for the multiple time frame. Remember, the TW sniper entry gave you the answer before I do the analysis. Look at that. It tells me that I'm in a sell. Multiple time frame is also saying that we're in a sell. Look at the TW sniper entry, also confirming that we are in a sell. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair? It's only going in one direction. So remember, here's your yellow box with the red arrow. And what did the market do? It dropped. Remember, we're always gonna have some reversal, but look at this reversal, very small. Then the red arrow came in, going in the same continuation of the original trend, because that was the trend doing, and bam, market drop. Now that we see in the picture, let me put the candles back to normal, and I'm gonna analyze the real data, what I'm seeing for this coming week. So this is what I'm seeing here, guys. Market is already giving us a signal that it's gonna reverse, but this is what I'm thinking the market is gonna do. Remember, on Friday the market gave us a heads up, hey Urban, we are gonna be doing what? We are gonna get ready to do a pullback is not fully there yet, but this is my analysis for this coming week, guys. I believe the market will retrace back all the way to this previous multiple time frame, which is your 23.6 Fibonacci. From there, market is gonna reverse back on the same direction of the original trend, because we are selling. So Euro GBP is selling, so it's gonna come back to this same level here, and guess what is gonna happen right on it? And here it's gonna give us a green arrow with a yellow box, and bam, we are gonna be going bullish on this market on Euro GBP. Get ready, it's a new month. So month of October is coming aboard, and we are gonna be making money. All right, so let me go ahead and break it down. I know that amazing pair that I think someone sent me to analyze NAS 100, but the broker that I use is they don't have it. So but I'm gonna bring back USD 30 so it's for you to see it. So here it is. Let me not show you the real data yet. Look at the dashboard, guys. Just by looking at the dashboard, what happened? Boom, look at that. 4 hours in daily time frame is telling you automatically, hey buddy, we are only going in one direction, and that is bullish. That's the USD 30, guys. If you love to trade that pair, that's what the market is doing. So this one, I did it on 1 hour, so you can see it, right? So, but remember, it's one USD 30. If you're having a hard time, just look for the yellow box with the green arrow, and bam, market is going up. Same thing in here. Guys, if you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it. Only go with the same direction of the trend. Look at that. Boom, going up and up and up, okay? All right, so let me show you the real data so you can see it, because it's time for us to make money. So this is what I'm seeing here. Remember, the dashboard gave you the answer. What is this? What is the dashboard saying here? 4 hours in daily time frame, saying, hey buddy, I'm in a buy trend. So here it is. Look at multiple time frame came here. Look at the yellow box with the green arrow. Where is it going? Where is it going? Hopefully you're not telling me market is in a sell. It's getting ready for the sell. But look at what happened. Bam, it went up. So on Friday, it's giving us direction. The market, yes, will be coming down this coming week. But most likely it could happen on Monday or Tuesday. So all I can think the market is, yes, it's going to retrace back. It can go all the way to our 23 Fibonacci, or it can go all the way to our re-entry. But I'm just gonna play it safe. I'm gonna leave it on the 23.6, and then the market will drop make another reversal. So it's gonna be fighting, to be honest. What I'm seeing here this week, guys, market is gonna go sideways here until it make the final decision to drop, and bam, we are gonna be making money down. But be careful, be careful. USD thought is very dangerous. But let me give you one that is less risky, so you are gonna be trading and making money with one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that is gold. Boom! Let me not give you the real data yet. Look at the dashboard, guys. This is what I love to check. Look at the 4 hours. It's saying, hey, Irvin, guess what is going to happen? Look at the 4 hours. It's telling me that we are in a sell position, right? Daily time frame is fighting. Said, no. The daily, we the sellers, we the buyers are controlling the market on the daily time frame. And that is true. So what I'm seeing here on the 4 hours, the market is giving us a pullback. So let's go ahead and analyze real data so you can see it. Remember, here's your daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. Where is it going? Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Look at where's the yellow box. The yellow box is here. Look at what happened. We have not seen any yellow box yet stating that we are going to be in a sell position for a long term. But let me break it down, my analysis, because it's very important for you to understand what I'm thinking on this particular pair, because it's time for us to make money this new month of October. What I believe is, yes, the market is still very bullish, as you see here, as you see it on the daily time frame. On Friday, the market gave us an indication that gold is gonna make a reversal coming down, but it's not fully there yet. So market is gonna come back and retest this high here. So that's what I have it in there. From there, yes, we're gonna get a different signal coming down. Most likely it's gonna be a yellow box with the red arrow coming here, and guess what is gonna happen? Bam! Market is gonna drop all the way to our 38.27 Fibonacci level, and then it's gonna retrace back. But it's gonna be there. So be on the lookout for this huge pullback on gold. If gold is too much for you to trade, just don't trade it. Or let me know in the comment below, hey Irvin, I don't want you to make a video on gold. Gold will blow my account. I don't want you to make a video on Euro USD. Let me know what I need to improve so I can give you the best pair so you can make hundreds of dollars in the market. All right, so once again, guys, thank you, and I will see you on the other side of the aisle. Peace out. Boom, let's go.